Hello friends. Welcome to my fashion makeup and hair box channel. Today we will talk about how to use the inversion method to grow hair. Part 1. Applying oil to your head. Choose your oil. There is not one agreed upon oil for the inversion method. Try olive oil, castor oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, or Moroccan argan oil. If you want to use natural ingredients, warm up oil. Warm up around 3 to 4 tablespoons, 44 to 59 milliliters, oil. Take a cup of hot water and place your oil bottle in it. You can get this water from the sink. Let the oil sit for a minute or so until it is warm to the touch. Your goal is to increase blood flow to your scalp. Warmer oil will increase the blood retention in your scalp cells. Do not overheat the oil. You don't want to burn your scalp. Apply oil to your scalp. If you've experienced hair loss, make sure that you cover your problem areas first, then proceed to cover the remainder of your scalp. Make sure that you cover your entire scalp with a thin layer of oil. It doesn't take a lot of oil to achieve full coverage. Comb the oil through the rest of your hair. If your hair tends to split or break, try to spread oil to all of your hair. Hair splits or breaks when it is short on moisture and nutrients. Natural oils will help replenish both, stimulating your hair follicles. Massage gently. With the tips of your fingers, knead your scalp. Move your fingers in little circles, clockwise and then counterclockwise. Don't be afraid to use your palms in addition to your fingers. Your palms can apply pressure to a greater area at one time. Tip your head upside down. You can do this over a sink or bathtub. Alternatively, you could choose to sit upside down in a chair with your legs over the back of the chair. No matter how you choose to do it, let your hair hang loosely and hold your head at a comfortable angle. Your goal is to find a comfortable position and to relax. Hold this position for 4 minutes. This gives the oils enough time to seep into your scalp while letting gravity increase the blood flow to the scalp. Take deep breaths. Clear your mind. Relax. This step resembles meditation. Sit back up. Come up slowly, or else you may feel dizzy, faint, or weak. Consider leaving the oil on for a longer period of time. If you have an incredibly dry scalp, this might be a good decision. Some suggest leaving it in your hair for a couple of hours or even overnight. Wash your hair. Be sure to completely rinse out all the leftover oil. If you miss a spot, it will be far greasier than the other parts of your head. Make sure that you don't use a harsh shampoo. Harsher shampoos, with a pH higher than will strip your hair's natural oils. Shampoos like L'Oreal Evercreme Intense Nourishing or Heads and Shoulders work well. Generally, any shampoo geared towards dry scalps have lower pH balances. Repeat every 3-4 weeks. Depending on your personal condition, you might find it helpful to perform this treatment every 3 weeks. Repeated use at a higher frequency could make your hair too oily and may even clog your hair follicles, further reducing your hair growth potential. If you like my fashion makeup and hair box channel, please do subscribe to my channel.